The blizzard of 2009. Here's my husband digging out the car. We have a Floridian somewhere. There's a Floridian.
I'm taking pictures of Colin shoveling snow.
Colin, Kaya, go stand next to the snowdrift over here.
Okay.
It's cold.
Woo!
Go over there. Eep!
What are you singing?
It's over your head. Not that side. If you come over to the corner more, it's over your head. That is funny. That is funny.
I'm being flurried.
Let's go watch my husband shovel out the car some more. This is the shoveling of the car so we can go to Benny's and buy a sled. The traditional blizzard activity. Look at the doors of the car!
I told you we're going nowhere. And we're like that.
This is the best.
You might as well go inside. We're not going anywhere.
The best blizzard ever.
Go inside. What are you talking about?
Okay, more to come later.